just want to show you the quickest and easiest way to deploy your React app that is made with Vite or Vite, whatever they call it. Okay, I'm not going to waste your time here. So here I've already made this simple feedback form, which we now want to deploy to GitHub Pages. So I have my repository here, right? So and I've already listed the steps that we need to. So we basically have about 11 steps. So it says create a new repository. So we're going to jump into GitHub and create a repository. So here we're going to just say maybe feedback form. Yep, and then we create a repository, and so we're just going to leave it like this. But then we're going into our code. Right, so what you just want to do is to open your package.json, this one, and all right, maybe let's just try to follow the steps that are here. It'll be easier. I mean, I've done this a couple of times. So we've already created a new repository. So now what we need is to install GitHub Pages onto our application locally. So I'm just going to stop this over here and install that. Should just take a couple seconds. All right, good. And then the next step would be to just copy this one. We're going to add that into our package.json right here, right? So we have that, but we still need to change the repository name here. We actually need to write the actual repository name. So if you go back to your GitHub page, you're going to see your repository name is basically here. This one right here. So I'm just going to zoom in. Here you can see that's your repository name. So you come here and you just paste that in, right? And go back to the steps here because we need to edit the script. So we're going to start from pre-deploy because there's a folder that needs to be created inside. So here, right? Maybe we could leave it that way. We just okay. Then you save your package.json. So this one is done. Then we still have another one. We have to edit the vite.config.js. This one, right? We're now on step number 4. We need to edit that one. So we actually need the repository name, the base. So we need the base. We basically need this code. So I'm just going to copy this right here, right? And open our vite.config.js. Come here, and we're going to paste that. But remember, the repository name. We actually need the actual repository name. So I just gotta make sure my casing is right. Okay, I'll just copy that, and here, feedback form looks good. So I'm gonna close that, and I'm gonna come to my terminal. I'm just gonna clear it up so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so the easy git add, first git init, right? So you just follow the steps. I'm going to link to this file. I'll try to make it available online so you can follow along. That way, git add, git commit, initial commit. So I'm just copying those ones. Right, then git branch. All right, so this one you're going to need. So the best way would be to go back here. It's already here. So you just copy that git add, remote add origin. So that's going to link to your repository. Then you need to push it. Right. Git push. Yes. Okay, so now as you can see, it has been published. But the only thing that's left is for us to run npm run deploy. npm run deploy, and voila. Now as you can see that you now have this folder. It's bundled everything inside this folder. Now you click on actions here, you go back to your repository and you go on actions right here. Okay, so as you can see it's building. It should take about 30 seconds or so, then we should be good. Done. Report build status. Deploy. Yeah, we're almost there. All right, there we go. So that link, and yep, we are here. You're good to go. So basically, that's it. I'm pretty sure that everything works as I expected it. It's still responsive, and yeah, pretty much. So, all right. All right, thanks for watching, guys. That's basically